Hey fairs, let's make this delicious crispy homemade green onion sesame cracker. Okay, so add corn flour, then multi-purpose flour or white wheat flour, then the rest of the dry ingredients. Mix together with a spatula to properly combine, then add your butter, melted butter, and warm milk. Now mix together with your hands to form a dough. Add the green onion and sesame. Continue mixing. Now the dough is nicely formed. I'm going to set this aside to rest for 5 to 10 minutes. Then I'm going to go ahead to roll out the dough on my work surface. Now after rolling, I'll just use this crinkle cutter to trim the edges so it's nice and neat. Then I'll cut into shape. With a fork, I'll just poke to give it that cracker look. And here we go. Transfer to a lined baking tray. If you don't have baking mat, you can use parchment paper. Pop this into the oven to bake. Make sure you monitor your biscuits and monitor the temperature of your oven. I baked for 10 to 12 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius, and my crispy homemade cracker biscuit is ready. Okay guys, let me know if you're trying out this recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. I love you all.